The app is the best way to schedule service for your Tesla. Let us know what's in need of attention in just a few taps. Add any relevant photos and schedule a time that works for you, whether it's at your local service center or in your driveway with a mobile technician. Thanks to your Tesla's wireless connection, we can run diagnostics and resolve many issues remotely. Add or adjust service items and change the appointment itself at any time. We'll notify you if we have an update. You can also track progress and message with your service team. We'll let you know once service is complete. Then, in a few taps, review and pay any charges. It all takes place in the app. Want to remember what got done on your last service visit? A complete history of service you've had done by Tesla is always here for you to review. The service section also houses video guides like these. Queue one up whenever you need a refresher or would like to learn something new. Many of the same videos are available in your car and online too.